morning everyone. My name is Akshata Navin and I am from Saudati. I pursued my engineering from KLCT Chikkodi with a stream of computer science and engineering. I am 2020 passed out. Soon after completion my last exam I joined QSpider because in campus only I got placed as an incubation student for the QSpider. There will be aptitude round and one more is group discussion will be there, and I clear those 2 rounds and got placed as an incubation student to the QSpider, and then I joined on in the month of completion of my exam and all. Then coming to the subjects and all, they taught Java by Dikshit sir and manual testing by Pradeep sir. He taught very well, and even taking the real time examples and he taught very well manual testing. And then SQL was done by the Neetu Shri ma'am. She helped me very well that whenever I used to ask her doubts and all, she cleared my all the doubts. The faculties were very kind and very helpful. And coming to the live project classes and all, here only you will get the what is the environment is happening in the industries and all. And coming to the grooming session and presentation classes and all, so that initially I don't have that much of confidence whether I will get placed or not. So after attending the grooming session and after mock test and all, so I improved myself and with the confidence also, with the communications also. So through that all the efforts and all I got placed, and thank you to the QSpider family. Yeah, this is the place who do the hard work and who is very determined. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Rohini Chavle and I am from Chikkodi. I have completed my graduation in KLCT Chikkodi in CSE stream. I am a 2020 passed out. Pradeep sir came to our college and they hired us, and after that I joined QSpider in pandemic situation. Once I joined the QSpider, I thought that I took a good decision to join the QSpiders because here we can explore our career and it is good chance to get the job. So that I thought like that. Manual testing is taught by Pradeep sir. He taught everything, and whatever he teaches in classes, that questions were asked in interview. So that I cracked the interview. And SQL is taught by Neetu ma'am. She also taught everything. And aptitude is taught by Keith sir. And here they will make a presentation group. So guys, presentation is very important to us because here we can get the confidence and communications. We can improve our communications. It is helpful in our interview to crack the interview. And before the attending interview, they will make a grooming session. Here they will give the important questions and all, how to crack the interview, and they will tell before the attending interview. It is also helpful. And all the faculties are very supportive and very helpful. Uma ma'am and Swati ma'am also, they are very supportive and helpful. They helped me a lot to crack the interview. I am also thankful to all the faculties and QSpiders team. Thank you all.
My name is Renuka Gudisagar. I am from Belgaum. I have completed my degree in KLE College of Engineering and Technology, Chikkodi. So I am from computer science background. In the starting, I was very weak with the programming knowledges, and I was not at all interested in the programming language. After joining QSpiders, I have learned that programming language is easy to learn and it is easy to understand. This is all happened because of Dikshit sir. He has taught me the Java very well. And coming to the manual testing, Pradeep sir has taught me very well because I have improved a lot with the testing background, so that I got a good company to be placed. So coming to the other faculties, like aptitude was taught by the Keith sir, and he helped me a lot with improving my shortcut tools to solve the problems in the aptitude exams and all. So he helped me a lot to develop it is like we can say to develop my own knowledge and to improve my skills. He has taught me a lot. And coming to Neetu ma'am, Neetu ma'am has taught me SQL. It was ongoing now because I haven't completed it. So ma'am is also teaching very well. I'm understanding all the concept with that. I have also learned SQL in my college time, but coming to here, I was a bit more confident to write any queries and all. So ma'am was very helpful. I'm also thankful with Uma ma'am because she helped me a lot with to crack the interviews. She has always supported me, and I was very previously in the starting when I got rejected with all the companies. Like I have attended around 6 to 7 companies coming to QSpider after coming QSpider. So I've rejected with around 5 to 6 companies. So I was a bit less confident. So Uma ma'am has encouraged me with to have confidence and to keep hope in that. So I was very from listening Uma ma'am, I was like very hopeful with the company. So I got placed with one of the best company. So I'm very thankful to everyone, and also I'm very thankful to QSpider family. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Venkatesh Musikati. I am from Bagalkot and I have completed my engineering in KLE College of Engineering Technology, Chikkodi, and I have done my PU in Udupi, and I have done my schooling at Bagalkot itself. And when I was in engineering, I got selected as an incubation student for QSpiders, and wherein Pradeep sir came to our college and they took interviews and tests for the selection purpose, and I got selected, where I got a great opportunity to join in the pandemic period in the QSpiders bar branch. And next, when I joined QSpiders, I have learned many skills which predate for my career growth, wherein manual testing was taught by Mr. Pradeep sir, and SQL was taught by Miss Neetu ma'am, and I have learned core Java from Mr. Dixit, and Selenium from Mr. Srikant. And I would like to thank them so much, so that for which I have got no place for Sapphire IMS. And I especially thank the HR team for this great opportunity, and they have got me placed in the reputed company. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanket, and I've completed my engineering at KLE College of Engineering Technology, and I graduated as a mechanical engineer in the year 2020, and I've been selected as an incubation student at the QSpiders, and it has been a great experience learning here at the QSpiders. I've done a software testing course wherein I've completed manual testing, SQL and Java along with automation, Selenium, and the faculty are really supportive in case of learning or whether it might be related to placements. And yes, I would really love to thank everyone, the whole team of QSpiders, and really thank you very much.
Good afternoon. I am Rajeshwari Kaur. I came from KLE College of Engineering and Technology, Chikkodi, and I am a BE graduate from Electronics and Communication branch, and like I am a 2020 passed out. Here I came because of the incubation program which the QSpiders conducted, and Pradeep sir came and recruited us through the incubation program. And after joining the QSpiders, I learned many skills, technical skills, including manual testing skills and SQL skills. Manual testing skills learned by the Pradeep sir, which the topics which he has taught are like I can't forget, like that he taught, and also SQL training from the Neetu ma'am, and also Dixit sir Java programs. And also I thank Uma ma'am for the opportunities and interviews which she has provided, and I obviously thank all the faculties and in the QSpiders for the opportunity and great experience in the QSpiders. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Shanta Sonwalkar. I am a KLCT Chikkodi student. I'm a 2020 passed out student in CS branch from CS branch. I have a 62% of aggregate in degree, and I came to Q Spiders as a incubation student. Then manual testing, SQL. Manual testing was taught by Pradeep sir. SQL was taught by Neetu ma'am. Live project was taught by Binny ma'am, and aptitude was taught by Keith sir. They all helped me a lot. Those guys are awesome. Just listen to their classes. Don't miss the class and sit in the room. It's a waste of time. At least even if you are not interested, come to the class and sit. Out of 1 hour of class, at least you listen to something, like you learn something. Just it's not a waste of time. Just come to the class. That will be helpful. And that's it. Our HR ma'am, HR team is doing a great job by giving you great requirements. I'm lucky to have come here and get a job from Q Spiders. I thank all the Q Spiders Sebal team for my placement. Thank you.